I got this 12-volt Powersports battery. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and check it out. All right, in the box, you get the 12-volt battery itself. You get a heightening pad that allows you to make this taller if you need to. There's a little manual about that heightening pad. Then you get 4 terminal bolts or screws that go into the terminals to help you hold your wires on. You get a screwdriver, and you also get the owner's manual. That's everything that's in the box. I got this to use on our generator, so let's go ahead and hook it up to that and test it out. All right, and here is what I'm using this battery for. This here is my 3rd battery for this generator. This one is now dead too, and I'm really getting tired of this form factor battery and these old little lead acid batteries. So that's where this comes into play. It should be able to maintain itself well. It's got a BMS in it. I'm hoping that using this battery instead of this battery is going to get me many years of use instead of 3 to 6 months use. So I'm going to hook up this battery to the generator. It really doesn't matter that it doesn't fit because I don't really put it in there anyway. I just hooked this up so my wife doesn't have to pull start the generator. She can just use the button. You know, pull starting this can be a pain. Let me go ahead and put this on there. Let's see how well it works. All right, so I've got this wired up. I don't know why, but I really like the fact that it's got 4 terminals. So you got a positive and a negative, and the other side you've got a positive and negative. I just think that these 2 extra terminals are probably going to be pretty useful for me when we're out camping off grid. We'll see. Let's turn this thing on. And moment of truth. Awesome. I think this is going to work out great. Gotta have that electric start, because if not, then I'm the only one out there cranking it. So as long as I have electric start working, my wife will crank the generator. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.